Now, is your RV wiper seal not flipping? And is it making you flip out? Well, come with me because we're going to discuss how we resolved this problem. Hey guys, it's Sabrina with RV Living Yet. Today we're going to talk about a little problem that might be occurring on your RV. Alright guys, so as you can see, it can get quite aggravating when you've been driving for hours upon hours and you pull into a campground and it's pouring rain out and your darn wiper seals don't flip out. So now, in the pouring rain, you have to go outside and flip your seals. So this was becoming an issue for us. As you can see, we would have to come out here and pop these seals out because they were getting all jammed up, which can become a pain in the butt, especially when it's over your head. What we were having to do is we would have to jump up on a roof in the rain. Nobody wants to do that in the rain. It's slick enough up there. So we would have to fix the seals up top, then come down here and fix these seals, and it was becoming a nuisance. So we found a solution. As you know, the main concern about a seal that's flipped in is it's gonna bring water in, and that is our ultimate nemesis, and we want to stay away from that. No water in the RVs. So here's our issue. This is a outdoor rated grip tape, usually used on stairs, but we have found that it works wonders. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a link below with this tape so you can find it. If you're having this type of issue, you can resolve it. It's quick and it's cheap. So all you have to do is run a strip right down your slide. You want to do it probably in the middle of the slide. It gives the seal a chance to flip on its own. But if it doesn't and it hits this grip, the friction is going to make that seal flip out. So we no longer have to come out here and flip the seals anymore in a rainstorm. It's beautiful. Alright guys, so that sums it up. We resolved that issue and we did it on the fly and we did it pretty cheap. So if you want some more RV hacks, definitely hit that subscribe button and that notification bell because you will get notifications on any new videos that are out there. Most likely it's going to be a how-to because that's just what happens in the RV world. So stay tuned guys. Take care. I'm going to start that over. I'm going too quick. It's a little problem you might have. Why can't I speak that sentence out? Today we're going to be talking about a little problem that We're going to be talking about a little problem that has... I can't.